Bluetti showcased its latest innovations at IFA 2025, including the Pioneer Na, the world's first sodium-ion battery-based portable power station. This device is designed to operate in extreme cold, capable of charging at temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius. It offers a 900 Wh sodium-ion battery and boasts 4,000+ cycle life. The Pioneer Na is a potential alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries, especially for those seeking to avoid rare earth elements. Alongside this, they introduced FridgePower, a thin, 2 kWh battery solution designed to keep refrigerators running during power outages. With global launches scheduled for October and November, Bluetti's new products highlight an interesting direction for future energy solutions. Consider subscribing to stay updated on the latest developments.